Hey everyone, and Happy New Year! Daniela Braga here, coming to you from CES 2026. This is Diffusion by Defined.ai, your 3-minute espresso shot of AI news that actually matters. As we walk through the halls here, one thing is clear. This year, it's all about physical AI and robotics. Everywhere you turn, humanoid robots are on display. Companies are investing heavily in human-like machines designed for a wide range of tasks. The most visible use cases are domestic robots that can fold your clothes, load the dishwasher, or even vacuum using a handheld device. But we're also seeing major advances in industrial applications. Companies like Boston Dynamics are showcasing the new Atlas robot, an enterprise-grade humanoid capable of material handling, order fulfillment, and other complex industrial tasks. Compared to last year, the progress is striking, not just in capability, but in diversity of use cases and skill sets. Which brings us to the next point. As robots take on increasingly human-like tasks, precision becomes critical. Here at CES, haptics and touch sensitivity are everywhere. We're seeing robots folding laundry live on the show floor, using articulated hands and advanced sensors to handle delicate fabrics. At the same time, many companies are innovating across both hardware and software to enable robots to replicate human touch. In short, robots are developing human-like dexterity, and that changes everything. Fine motor skills unlock real utility, from everyday household chores to complex industrial operations. Better control means safer automation, and it also means the race for high-quality training data is about to heat up. AI companions are also evolving beyond humanoids. This year, we've seen everything from small animal-like companions to breathing dragons, and even plant pots that talk back to their owners. These playful and creative designs highlight a growing trend: emotional and experiential AI that lives alongside us in unexpected ways. This is physical AI in action. Machines that don't just compute, but move, build, and interact with the physical world. This is the next frontier, and if you're building robots, you need data that you can trust. That's where Defined.ai comes in. We provide ethically sourced licensed datasets, speech, text, image, and video, and now multimodal robotics data with fully customizable end-to-end multi-sensor collection services. Everything is designed to power the next wave of automation and embodied intelligence. You can find it all on the Defined.ai marketplace. That's it for this CES edition of Diffusion. Thanks for watching, and we'll be back next week with more AI news that actually matter.